Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the questions I got for Windows 10 was about trying to pair or fix something that doesn't pair anymore, doesn't connect to Bluetooth on Windows 10. So Bluetooth is one of those short distance wireless communications feature that is very useful. People pair their headphones and earbuds and all sorts of devices that can communicate through wireless Bluetooth frequencies. But it's not always easy, it's not always simple, and sometimes we miss a little point. So, no pairing or something that worked before doesn't work anymore. What are the steps that I can use to actually try to pair again? So in the case of a new device that you haven't paired before, what I recommend is, first of all, make sure you really understand well the way that the device needs to be discoverable. Because one of the major problems with Bluetooth is discoverability. A lot of the devices that you're trying to pair are not showing up because you haven't pushed the correct button or done the correct thing. So it becomes a device that you can discover. So that's the first thing. You need to make sure your device is discoverable so that you can see it on your Windows 10 PC. The second thing, of course, is to go to your Windows 10 PC and click on the Bluetooth icon for the Bluetooth device. And there you can, of course, go to add a Bluetooth device. And here you will have the option to add Bluetooth or other devices. This is where you will choose Bluetooth, and you will see if you can find in the list your device that you're trying to connect. That is something that can take several seconds sometimes. So depending on the device you're trying to pair, be patient, wait, at least 20-30 seconds before it actually shows up. Once again, you want to make sure that the device is discoverable or it won't show up here. Now, what about those stubborn devices? They are discoverable, but they don't show up on the list. What do I do? One of the things that you can check is an update for your Bluetooth driver. So you can go to your manufacturer's PC page and check out if they have an update for the driver. You can also go into the device manager by right-clicking on the start button, going into the computer, the device manager itself, and going to check out anything Bluetooth. And what you could do is remove everything. If you want, you can uninstall every device, then go back up into Action and update or scan for hardware changes. Sorry. This will reinstall these devices. That's one thing you could do. The other thing you could do is any device. So you got the Intel wireless. You can try to update the driver, see if you have updates for the Bluetooth driver. Once again, if it's a PC you purchased from a manufacturer, go to the manufacturer webpage, search for your model. They probably have drivers, and they possibly could have updated drivers because maybe the drivers were faulty and some devices don't connect. If you have a device that connects or is paired but just doesn't want to work anymore, then one option that you have is, once again, go to your Bluetooth options here. You can go also to Bluetooth through the settings app. If you go into the settings, you will go to the same page also for Bluetooth. So it's in devices. And here you, of course, will check Bluetooth or other device. What you want to see here is it paired? So you see my device, for example, it's not broken, but I'll pretend it is. The device that I have Bluetooth is this here, Texan H501. Now, it's paired, but let's say that for an example here, it's actually not working. What I would suggest is that you click on it and you remove the device. He's going to say, do you want to remove the device for sure? Yep, here we go. Removing device. What you will do once that is done is you will want to try again to pair it like it was a brand new device. So of course, device needs to be in discoverability mode, and you will click Add Bluetooth Device. It's going to scan, and it should eventually show that there's a device called Texan 501 that will show up in the list here. You make sure that the device is in discoverability mode so that it shows up. It might take a few seconds. Here you go. It now appeared. Click, connecting. Some devices might require codes or a certain protocol. And here we go. Now it's done. Which means this device is now connected, which means audio is now supposed to come out of my device. What about if it just doesn't want to work at all and you still have problems? What other option do you have? Now, remember, there are devices that don't work very well together, and that is an unfortunate problem with some chipsets of some Bluetooth devices. But what you could do is go into the search box on the upper left in the settings and try to find troubleshoot. And you'll have troubleshoot settings. Go there. Go into additional troubleshooters. And what you'll want to do here is in the find and fix other problems, click Bluetooth and run the troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will actually scan for detection for problems. And there's a chance that it might say, you know what? There's a problem with your device. We're trying to fix it. And it could be a driver problem, it could be some other type of problem, but it will actually scan and try to fix it. And of course, if nothing is wrong, then it's not impossible that there's something might not be right. But most of the time, so here it says, check Bluetooth radio status, fixed, green check mark, close. Try to pair your device again once that is done and see what happens. But there's a infinite chance that maybe it can't. But I would say that majority of Bluetooth connection issues have to do with not being able to pair it like it should be. One last tip, make sure it's not paired with something else. It'll never show up here if it's already paired with another computer or another device. It has to be disconnected from anything else and discoverable. That's very important. So hope these tips help in Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.